In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put your footage inside of shape layers right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So once you have Adobe Premiere Pro open and you're ready to go, we need to begin by generating our shapes. And for this, I'm going to go ahead and create a brand new legacy title. So we'll go up to File, New Legacy Title. We'll press OK on this window. And inside of the legacy title window, we want to go over to the bar on the left and we want to draw out a shape. So we'll begin by drawing out a circle. So select the ellipse tool, we'll draw out a circle. And once you're happy with the size of this, we can go over to the legacy title properties on the right of this window. We'll deselect fill. And if we go down to strokes, we'll add an outer stroke and we'll change the color of this to white. Now from here, we can pull up the size of the stroke. And once you're happy with that, we can go ahead and generate a new shape. So for this, I'm going to go over to the pen tool and I'm just going to draw out the letter H. Now from here, I'm going to go and decrease the size of the stroke on this one. So I'll pull this down to 11 pixels. And once you're happy with that, you can exit this window and drag the title over onto your sequence. Now once your shapes are sitting on your timeline, you want to go ahead and drag some video footage onto your timeline, and you want to drag this onto video layer 3. And we just want to decrease the scale of this and place this directly behind the shape. Because the opacity of the shape layer is 100%, we can't see where we're placing this exactly, so we'll just decrease the opacity to around 50-60%, and this should help us frame this up perfectly. Now once you're happy with this, we can go ahead and add a mask to crop the size of this to fit within the shape. So we're going to go up to the pen tool, selecting the video footage, and we're just going to draw a circle mask around the center of this circle. And then as soon as you're happy with that, all we have to do is pull the opacity back up to 100% and we'll drag the shape layer on top of the video footage. And now as you can see, the video footage is playing within that circle shape layer, and that looks really cool. So we'll go ahead and we'll follow the same practice to put this in our letter H. So I'm just going to move the position of this video over underneath the H. We'll go over into opacity, select the pen tool, and we'll just draw a mask around the inside of this H. And there you go. That is it. It's really simple, really quick, really easy, and that is how you add video footage behind shape layers inside Adobe Premiere Pro. And there you go. If you enjoyed watching that video, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and check out the previous video if you want to see more content from this channel. See you next time.